Hi, this is Jill, your BoomerTech Adventures Guide, and today we're going to talk about how you shut down your apps on your iPhone and your iPad. Leaving too many apps open can suck up battery life, plus it can make your phone or your iPad a bit sluggish in the way it operates. It's not difficult to do, but it varies by device. So we'll be showing you an iPhone 6, an iPhone 10, and an iPad. Now, at the end of the video, we would love to hear from you. We'd love to hear what other topics you would like us to do a video on, and we'd love to hear your comments and your questions because we always read what our subscribers have to say. And of course, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. So stay tuned, get out your device so you can go along with us and try out the strategy for shutting down your apps on your iPhone and or your iPad. How you shut down an app on your device depends on which device you have. So, for example, this is an iPhone 6. It has a home button right there. And when you have a home button to shut down your apps, what you do is you tap quickly 2 times in succession. Boom, boom. And when you do that, the apps that you have open will show up. To close them, you just flick up towards the top of the screen with a light touch. Now remember, you are not deleting the apps, you're just closing them down so they don't suck up battery, etc. Now, other iPhones have no home button, and so you can't go click, click, or tap, tap. What you have to do is a slide. And it can be finicky because you have to get the pressure just right and the slide just right. You don't want too heavy a pressure. So let's see if I can get it the first time. So I'm going to put my finger on the dock and I'm going to slide up. Whoop, didn't work. There we go. Took me a couple times. That often happens. Now, once again, I'm simply going to flick the apps up towards the top of the screen, and now my apps are closed on this particular device. iPads, this is an iPad Pro, have home buttons. So once again, I'm going to do the double tap quickly in succession, boom, boom, and up pop the different apps that I have open. It looks a little differently than from the phone, but again, I just flick it up. Now, you notice I have Netflix up there. Sometimes my Netflix or something I'm streaming doesn't run as smoothly as I like, and I say, oh, I need to go in and close my apps. And once I do that, it usually straightens out because, once again, too many apps open can make your device sluggish. There it goes. So now all my apps are closed. We recommend that you do this once a day, probably before you go to bed, just to keep your device running smoothly. So that's it on how you close an app. And we remind you, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're always adding new videos about helping you learn more about using your iPhone and iPad. See you next time.